spins. Uy! Uy! What a move! Pass to the middle. Fires 3! Bang! Nothing but net! So, nandito tayo ngayon sa palarong pambansa 2024 para sa laban ng Sock Sargent versus Region 2. Here you go, jump ball. First ball possession for Team Sock Sargent. And dribbling the ball here for number 8. Pass it to the middle. Corner mid, launches 3. Up off target, rebound here. And here's Team Sock Sargent. Holds the ball, pass it to the middle. Pull up J. Come strong, rebound, put back shot. And the first end. Number 2 here for Team Region 2. Setting the play, Butakan holds the ball. And dribbles the ball, pass to the middle, Padilla. Kalubakib here. Kalubakib. And Butakan crossover. 24 seconds violation. Uy, no! Backdoor inbound. Team Sock Sargent na libre. Ang gandang play, no? Pull up J. Here's Team Cagayan Valley, Region 2. Drives, kicks on the corner. Kalubakib launches 3. And Butakan here, try to create, spins, pass inside, ang gata! Here's Team Sock Sargent, cross pass here, pass it back, step back, up, corner 2, bucket for 2. And 5-8 score natin, natapikan na agawan, 2-on-1, pinasading pabalik sa kalaban. And cross pass here, number 26. Fires 3, no good. Battle for rebound, na libre. Bucket for 2 natin. Butakan nagmamadali, drives. Here's the backdoor inbound, Bakiran, basket and 1. Here's Team Sock Sargent. Pass it to the middle, number 8 here. Attack, side step, cross to the corner 3. No good. Battle for rebound here, recovered by Sock Sargent, drive, stops, pull up J at the mid lane, bucket for 2. Butakan iniwan, ang gwardiya, stops, naagawan, bounce pass, and here's Team Sock Sargent, drives, Potter, off the glass, basket is good. Pass break, lays, Kalubakib, nakabawi. And here's number 14 for Team Sock Sargent. Pass it inside, pull up J, short, rebound here for Team Sock Sargent, number 14. Pass to the middle, launch behind the arc, bang! And Kalubakib nagmamadali. Oops. Rebound here, step back, umasinta, tumira sa 3. No good, rebound, put back shot of the window, money. Number 14 here for Team Sock Sargent. Bounce pass to the middle, number 9. Pull up J, bucket is good. Kalubakib drives, iniwan yung dalawa, gandang pasa, gandang finish off the glass. 7. And here's number 12. Stops. Steal. Oop. Nagkaagawan, nakuha ng number 14. Pass inside, 2 versus 1 fix. Ang ganda, libreng libre. Pinasa kay Butakan. Butakan dito. Pinasa kay number 17. Binitbit lays. Fail coach to coach. And here's number 7 here. Kalubakib. Kalubakib. Pull back at 3. No good. Nagkatapikan dito na recover. Side step lays. No good. And still, nakakuha ng Sock Sargent 3 versus 1. Pass to number 12. Floater shot. Basket is good. Pinasa doon. 2 versus 3. Raise. Bucket is good. For the inbound here, Team Region 2. Kalubakib drives. Floater. Bucket is good. Oh, spin move. All the way. Binitbit lays. Yes, sir! And here's Team Sock Sargent. Alley-oop pass inside. Fires off the glass. Basket and 1. And here's Region 2. Cagayan Valley. Pass inside. Fade away. So, natapikan. Kicks out. Wild open for 3. Off target. Rebound still. Lays. How bagay is good. At taban. Zumigzag dito. Nakalusot si number 15. No look pass. Pull up J. Completing the shot. And here you go. Calubake. Bounce pass. Spins. Number 11 here. Fakes. Drives. Pass to the middle. Number 1. Nasupalpalan fires. And here you go. Drives. Spins to the middle. Pull up J. The friendly roll. Pass to the middle. Stops. Fires 3. Bang! Nothing but net. Sargent. He stops. Pass to number 14 here. Pass inside. Number 8 reverse layup. Baget is good. What a... Calubake. Calubake. Kicks on the corner. Stops. Hoop. Nahuli. Pass inside. Bagay run here. Lays. Oop short. And here's Team Sock Sargent. Bounce pass. Kicks out. To the middle. Setting the play. Number 14. Half floater shot. Sakto. Uy, sakto pa rin sa kanya off the glass. Basket. Nauna na. Pass break ngayon. All out. Lays up. PC. Bucket. Butak. Pumasok. For the inbound here. Bakiran. Lopus. Floater. No good. Spins. Bounce. Uy! Uy! What a move! Number 8. Butakan. Pass to the corner. Attacks. Kicks out. Butakan. Di distansya. Stop. Pass to the corner. Fires a triple. Bang! Calubake. And number 14 here. Number 23 holds the ball. Pass to the middle. Stop. Pull up J. Long 2. Bucket is good. Calubake. Calubake. Pass inside. Naagawa. Number 14 here. Zumigzag. Bumalik. Sa gitna sa corner. Lays. This is off the glass. Yes sir. Calubake. Calubake. Asking for a pick. Pass to the middle. Step back 3. No good. Pass in sa number 23. Ang gandang pass. Haliw. Pass and off finish. And here's Team Region 2. Spins. Nakalusot. Attacks. Kicks out. Naagawan. Pass break ngayon 1-on-1. Nakahabol. Pass to na. Hinabol yung bola. Sakto yung pasa sa gilid. Corner 3. Fires. No good. Rebound. Spins. Fakes. Kicks out. Fakes. Para sa middle. Libreng-libre. Pasok yan. And here's Calubake. Natapikan mula sa likod. Setting the play. Asking for big. Natapikan. Naagawan. Number 14. Fires. And Baget is good. Number 8, Butakan. Butakan, di-discarte dito. Bounce pass. Pass inside. Na-recover. Butakan drives. Floater. Stong. Fires. My foul. And his Team Sock Sargent. Na-libre sa 3. Fires. No good. Rebound here. Pass on the inside. Pull up J. No good. And the rebound. Baseball pass here. And Butakan stops, fires, Baget is good. And here's Butakan dribbling the ball, stops, passes to, here's Sock Sargent, fires a triple. In and out and deep. Butakan. Zumigzag, long 3, bang, bullseye. Crosses the mid lane, here's number 8 for Team Sock Sargent. He stops. Pass to number 15, number 23, number 15, pass back at the middle, 23 wide open for 3, off target, battle for rebound here, number 8, recovered, pass to the middle, miscommunication, still recovered, ang gandang pasa, what a connection, and here's Team Region 2, high pass to Butakan, Butakan, ginugulo. Stops, launches 3. Off the glass. And yun lang. Pass break. And Butakan all alone. Left sendal chase. Yes, sir. Here's number 23. Bounce pass on the corner. Number 88 to number 14. Ang gandang pasahan. Kaya lang, naagawan. Kalubakib, binitbit lays off the window. Kalubakib to Butakan. Setting the play. Sumisinyas. Slowly moving down. Nabitawan ng bola. Nag-dive para sa bola. Pinasa ng kalaban. 3 on 1. Number 8 binitbit. Pinasa. The deliver. No on go. And here you go. 4 on 1. Bagiran. And pasok iya. And Sok Sargent here. Ball possession. Offensive foul. Kalubakib, ibababa ang bola, ginugulo. Natapikan mula sa likod. Butakan, bounce pass inside, Bakiran, fires off the window. And setting the play. 4-team Sok Sargent, number 3, Sumalida, umatake, binitbit, ang gandang move. And setting the play, Butakan. Stops, nasupalpal. Baseball pass. 2 on 2. Spins. Another spin. Stops. Number 14. Corner. Pull up J. Bucket is good. The net. Number 14. High pass. Number 14 holds the ball. Dribbles. Pass to the middle. Pull up J. Bucket is good. And naka-oops. Grabe. And here's Team Sok Sargent, number 12, number 88, number 3 here. They discard a stop, bounce pass, number 14, attack, side step, napupalpal. And sumalak sa gilid, floater, again, no good. And here, pushing the ball, fakes. Number 12, pass to number 3, bounce pass to the corner, fakes. Number 3. Number 26, pinabitin. Oh! 14. Dribbling the ball for Team Sok Sargent. Stop, pulls at 3. No good. Pass break ngayon. 4 versus 3. Oop. That's the no. Pass break ngayon. 2 versus wala. Pasok na pasok. Easy basket. The play at the mid of the court. And for the corner, holds the ball, pass to the middle, ang gandang play. And here's Butakan, di distarte. Nakalusot, bounce pass inside, ang gandang play din, bumawi. And here, setting the play for Team Sok Sargent. Number 12, pass to the middle, miscommunication. And pass break ngayon. And here's number 2, sumigway, sumagsag, pasok yan. And Kalubakib. Pass to Butakan. Pass inside, natapikan, na recover, pasa, fires, off the glass, bucket. Number 3, corner pass. Number 8, pasa sa gitna, ang gandang ball po, movement nun, pasok. And here's Team Sok Sargent sa gitna, number 8, picks, spins, fires, bucket. Long 3, no good, spins, fires, no good. Sakto. Number 3. Sumigsag. Pull up J. Oh, palo. Fires. Oh, bucket is good. Kicks out. Pull up J. No good. Rebound. Picks. Corner traps. Fires. No good. Rebound. Put back shot. And the finish. Kalubakib. Pass break. Butakan. Easy bucket. Pass break. Butakan. Attack, slays. And here's Team Sok Sergeant. Pass break and all alone. Easy bucket. And here's number 15. No look pass. Minekus. Pass break. Pull up J. Bucket is good. Ataban. Kalubakib na bitawan. Sa 3. Bang! Kalubakib. Number 15. Aasinta, atake, pass sa gilid, fires off the window. Number 9. Sa gitna, picks, drives, picks, fires. Pass break. Too strong, rebound, picks, oops. Picks, floater, bucket. Naagawan, pass break, and all alone. Easy bucket. No look pass. Easy bucket. Side step. Oop. And that's the end of the game. And congratulations, Team Sok.